Now say this is the network of resistances are given here. Every resistance has value of 1 ohm and this network is of infinite steps. So, this is actually called here the ladder made of the resistances having infinite steps. Now, we have to calculate total resistance between A and B, these two terminals. What is the total resistance? So, for solving this type of the question, first we assume here leaving one step, rest all these steps which are there to the infinite, we assume their net resistance is X suppose. So, total resistance of all these steps is suppose X ohm. So, we can redraw it like this, this is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm and this is 1 ohm, this point is A, this point is B and this is of here X ohm. So, this is X ohm is the total resistance of all the steps of the given this infinite steps ladder leaving one step. So, these two are in parallel. So, we can write here Rp is equal to X into 1 upon X plus 1. Now, this combination is in series with these two. So, we can write here 1 plus 1 plus X upon X plus 1 is equal to is also X, because if you add one step in the infinite step, resultant will not be affected. So, we can write this equation. So, all this total resistance we have put here equal to X. Now, we will solve it. So, this is here 2. So, we can write 2x plus 2 plus x is equal to x square plus x, and you will be writing here 3x plus 2 is equal to here x square plus x, and then we can write x square minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now, we can solve this quadratic equation here. So, when we solve this quadratic equation by using the formula of this one, here we can write x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So, we can get x is equal to minus 2 plus minus under root of minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2, that is c is minus 2 divided by 2 into 1. So, here we can write 2 plus minus under root of 4 plus 8 divided by 2. So, we can write 2 plus minus under root of 12 divided by 2, and we can write here 2 plus minus 2 under root of 3 divided by 2, and that can be written x is equal to 1 plus minus under root 3. So, there are two possible values 1 plus under root 3, that is here coming here 2.73, and another one is 1 minus root 3 is equal to 1 minus 1.73, which is coming less negative value. So, the resistance cannot be negative. So, this answer can be ignored. So, the net resistance or the total resistance we can take 2.73 ohm. So, a network of the infinite step, if it is given to you, you can solve by this concept.